I am Dr. Sekhar. I am to take TRB PG course for the subject botany. For the past 25 years, I have been handling this course, and also I have written TRB guide for Sakti publications as well as Suras publications in Chennai. Today, choose the topic in botany. Botany means grasses. This is a Greek word. In India, B-O-T-A-N-Y, botany. But actual spelling is botany. So, this is a demo class served for you by Iravam Educational Academy. They have been running this UG, PG, TRB courses for the past 10 years. I have chosen the topic Bryophyta. Example plant is Funaria, commonly called as club moss. Why did I choose this topic? In the sense, it links between cellular organization and organ system grade organization. Firstly, tissues are formed in bryophytes. Previously, in theriophytes, no tissues. Example, algae and fungi. I have taken this topic due to the first origination of tissues. What tissue is developed in the cells? Parenchyma. It is a fundamental tissue in all plants. Why? Because it is firstly formed in Funaria, bryophytes. And bryophytes are called amphibious plants. Amphibious plants. They need both water and land for their life. And very firstly, simple embryophytes are formed. Simple embryos are formed. So, simple embryophyta. In plants, we divide simple embryophyta and embryophyta. Simple embryophyta means only bryophytes. Embryophyta means pteridophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms. So plants are broadly divided into embryophyta, simple embryophyta and embryophyta. Okay, plant body organization informs you that there is an alternation of generation. I have indicated two types of body. One type of body is sporophyte, which is found at the top, and another type is gametophyte, found at the bottom. But the adult plant body is gametophyte. See, adult plant body is gametophyte, only bryophyte. If you go for pteridophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms, the adult body is sporophyte. But in bryophyta only, adult body is gametophyte. Though it has sporophytic body, the adult is gametophyte. Total in botany, adult gametophyte means only bryophyte. Mosses. Okay. Plant body at the bottom is called gametophyte. It consists of three parts. Rhizoids, like roots, absorbs soil water and also fixation. Two functions are held by rhizoids. The rhizoids are multicellular. See, rhizoids are present in fungi, unicellular, but same rhizoids are present in Funaria, multicellular. And the central axis is called column. It is regarded as a stem in higher plants. And there are small leaves, micropills. Why do we call micropills? In a sense, no veins. mid vein, lateral veins. If they are found, we can call leaf. So why we don't say root, stem, leaf? Why do we don't say leaves? No xylem and phloem. These are vascular tissues. These tissues are absent. In the sense, we cannot call them as root, stem, leaf. Due to the absence of xylem and phloem, we say rhizoids, column or axis and microphyls. Gametophyte body is made up of three parts. Microphyls perform photosynthesis. And these microphyls also contain sex organs. Male organ is antheridium. Female sex organ is archegonium. Antheridium male produces male gamete. Archegonium female produces female gamete. So gametogenesis occurs in gametophyte. And union of gametes forming a zygote. Haploid male gamete combines with haploid female gamete forming a diploid zygote. This is called fertilization. So it occurs in gametophytic plant. So the resultant product of fertilization is diploid zygote, which undergoes mitosis repeatedly and develops into sporophyte. Sporophyte has three organs, namely foot, seta, capsule. Food fixes, absorbs nutrients from gametophyte. And seta is a long cylindrical tube-like structure, seta, which conducts water and food for capsule present at the top. Capsule includes sporogenous tissues, spores. Zygote only develops into sporophyte. Zygote is diploid. It develops into sporophyte. So sporophyte is also diploid because the cell division is mitosis. In mitosis, no change in chromosomal number. Starting number is the ending number. No change. So, let us study about the capsule. The terminal part of the sporophyte is capsule. This is the structure of capsule. Sporophyte is diploid. So, part of the sporophyte also diploid. It may be food, seta or capsule. Capsule is the fertile part. What is fertile part? The part which involves in reproduction is called fertile part. The fertile part of sporophytic generation is capsule. Capsule consists of three parts: operculum, theca and apophysis. There are operculum, theca, apophysis are the three main parts of capsule. Fertile part in capsule. Fertile part in sporophyte is capsule. Fertile part in capsule is theca. Both are different. Fertile part of entire sporophyte is capsule. Fertile part of capsule is theca. Okay, operculum is the head one, top. And here we find two rows of teeth, rows, upper row and lower row. they are called peristomial teeth. They are usually found in the pattern of 16 plus 16, 32. Outlet 16, inlet 16, total peristomial teeth. They help in dispersal of spores. Spores are sent out by teeth. Theca is the middle fertile part because it is centrally supported by columella, cylindrical cells support, and consists of sporogenous tissue. Theca. Sporogenous tissue consists of spore mother cell. Spore mother cell diploid, sporogenous tissue diploid, theca diploid, capsule diploid, sporophyte diploid. The spore mother cell diploid present in the sporogenous tissue undergoes meiosis and forming spores which are haploid. So haploid spores are finally formed, many and many, but meiosis only is responsible, and many spores are formed, so that there is a lack of accommodation, lodging of spores. Spores cannot be kept inside, much spores, so that they have to be released. And lower part called apophysis, it performs function photosynthesis. So what is the photosynthetic part of the sporophyte means apophysis. What is the photosynthetic part of gametophyte means microphytes. Both are different. And apophysis diploid, whereas microphytes are haploid. Totally the gametophyte is haploid. Totally the sporophyte is diploid. That is the difference. Why it is haploid means haploid spore falls on the soil. In the soil develops into gametophyte. As the haploid spore develops into a plant, haploid plant. So gametophyte is haploid. And here only gametes are formed. Already I told you, male and female gametes are formed. Male gametes are motile, having biciliate, very important. Next, what you are going to study, pteridophytes, multiciliated. Same ambrozoids are male gametes, but multiciliated, whereas in pteridophyte, biciliate. And see, this is male, Antheridia. This is Paraphysis. This is female Archidori. Same paraphysis are found in both sexes. Male is Antheridium, is club-shaped. Club. Anthrozoids are released in water. Anthrozoids are gamete. Total gametophyte is haploid. Male organ, female organ, male gamete, female gamete, haploid organ. No talk about diploid. Okay. Anthrozoid, male. Paraphysis. Anthrozoids are club-shaped. Antheridium is club-shaped. The club-shaped appearance is good to look as a flower. So, this is called mass flower. Usually, cryptogams are flowerless, no flowers. But what is considered as a flower in flowerless plants means male shoot of mass or club mass or funaria. Male shoot of funaria is called as cryptogamous flower. Cryptogamous flowers. Cryptogams do not have flowers. What is cryptogamous flower? Means male shoot of Fineria. Parapraces hold water in both sexes. If you go for female organ, archegonium is flask shaped. This is stalk. This is venter. This is neck. This is lip. Archegonium is the female organ. It is flask shaped, having stalk for attachment, venter, neck and lid. Lid can be also called operclassal. This consists of axil, female gamete. So what is the fertile part of archegonium is venter, and neck has some cells, they are called jacket cell. Lid cell or operclassal can open. If it opens, androzoids enter. Male gamete. So male gamete enters into neck when operclassal opens. It reaches the venter and it fuses with the axil, female gamete, and forming a zygote, diploid zygote. Then the diploid zygote develops into sporophyte. Here we have to notice two things in bryophytes only. This is common. Zygote, diploid into sporophyte, diploid into spore, haploid into gametophyte. Gametophyte forms gametes. Gametes make to form male and female. Form zygote. This is called fertilization. So this is the life cycle. Zygote diploid zygote develops into diploid sporophyte, or you can say diploid zygote develops into sporophyte to form the haploid spore. Diploid zygote develops into sporophyte. Sporophyte produces spore. Diploid zygote becomes into haploid spore in sporophyte. And similarly, haploid spore develops into diploid zygote. That means diploid into, this is sporophyte, into haploid spores. This is by meiosis. So the spore develops into gametophyte. X into N into N only. Mitosis 1. Gametophyte develops into, gametophyte forms the zygote. So zygote forms the sporophyte. Spore, or you can say spore. This is N, this is 2N. Spore forms the zygote. This is gametophyte. This is sporophyte. If zygote is not formed, sporophyte is developed. Like that also may happen. That is called apogamy. And another one is called அப்போஸ்கோரி. What is அப்போ? Apart. இல்லாமல். அப்போகேமி. No gametic fusion. கேமெட்டுகள் இணைவதில்லை. அப்போகேமி. But sporophyte is formed. That is apogamy. No spore form. Gametophyte develop. Apospory. Spores are not formed. Spores have no root. Apo means no root. Spores are no root, but gametophyte is formed. That is apospory. Zygote is not found. Sporophyte develop. Zygote illama sporophyte வரலாம். அப்போகேமி. ஸ்போர் இல்லாம gametophyte வரலாம். That is apospory. These are found in bryophytes. Nowhere else, no other group of plants. Apospory means no spores, but gametophyte is ready. Apogamy means no gametes, but sporophyte is ready. Usual thing is changed in two ways. Okay, in this way, life cycle is performed. This is the information about Funaria, moss plant. Okay, let us see the other topics in other classes. And I want to say one thing. If you are satisfied with my concepts regarding to this bryophytes, you can approach for other topics in botany. We will send you test series and key with solution. I have taken for TNPSC also, so that we will send you to your address. If you contact us, you will become definitely a teacher of higher secondary schools, no doubt, undertaken by government. Thank you. I hope that you might have satisfied. Thank you.